will close the door so she doesn't hear it. Okay. Ready? What should I do? Anything on the chair? Doesn't look like it. You guys have some ideas? Any ideas? Any? I know what to do, yeah! 5 minutes later, 5 minutes later, 5 minutes later, we need to do some stuff. 5 minutes later, 5 minutes later, 5 minutes later. Hold on, guys. I just need a couple more minutes. And then I shall be done with my masterpiece. I am almost done with my masterpiece. Almost done, and done. Now let me take the paper off of you. Are you ready to see my masterpiece? Let me move this chair. It's too strong. 1 second, guys. I want you guys to see my masterpiece. Finally. You see my masterpiece? I don't think so. Yeah, maybe from this side if I pull it. You could almost see my masterpiece. I think you can. Let me hold the camera up, guys. That was hard work holding a camera up. How do you like my masterpiece? I have ruined her desk. There's toilet paper all over it. And yeah, there's a picture, you see. I'm gonna leave now before she makes her next video. Why is my camera on? And why is my desk ruined? Who did this? On my 10th episode? Come on! Who would have done this? Who would have done this to me? Who would do this to me? You guys know? I don't know. Wait! I know who would do this to me. I remember. You ruined my first episode, my intro! PARRY! Oh no! Get over here, Bird! No! No! Bird, never come back! I won't! Yes, you will! Now, stop. Clean up. No! I don't run away! Guys! Believe me, I didn't do it! Ah! Get away, Bird. Guys! 10th episode? Ruined. ruined. My desk is ruined. I'm gonna have to clean this up later. So guys, my 10th episode. Awesome, right? I can't wait till I get to the 100th. Well, at least it's 90 more episodes. So we better get our YouTube on. I haven't done YouTube for like 3 days, so... Whoa. Okay, so guys, please remember to shoot that bow and arrow towards the like button and please subscribe. And see you next time on the 11th. More double digits. Double digits. Double digit of YouTubing. Bye, guys.